road trips and the expedition heading to Southport, North Carolina and Bald Head Island. Got plenty of space back here. All packed. You packed?
Yeah. Subscribe to JK Vlogger.
Nice shoes, dude.
Thank you.
Have a safe trip.
You too.
Somebody explain to me why this is cool. Whipple upgrade, so it does improve the MPG, looks like, with just normal driving, of course. You start drag racing, like someone over here. She likes to drag race, so the MPG goes down, but before the upgrade, I was showing like 20 to 21 miles per gallon on the highway, and this is going like 75, 80 miles an hour, and now it's showing, right now it's 22.8 because we're going up a hill, but on straight road it's showing 23, even 23.1. So that's a plus. Just filled up and I'm showing 547 miles to empty. This has to be the best road trip car ever. 23 miles per gallon on the highway going 80 miles an hour, and you can travel 547 miles on the tank. That is awesome. You want to go fast?
Why?
Fast?
Why?
For real?
Yeah. What the heck?
Well, this is what I booked.
Are you serious? Oh my gosh.
I just don't know which
We
one
knew about it the whole time. Y'all are. When did you change that?
A long time ago. castle.
I took my stuff off too.
and for your safety, directing you to the muster or gathering areas, which are located in the main passenger areas or at either end of the vehicle deck. Adult and child life jackets are stored under labeled seats and in labeled storage boxes and locked each location on the vessel for your convenience, and crew members will be available to assist you if you need help. If you are handicapped, please inform a crew member of any special assistance you may need at this time. Once again,
Jacob, what is this place again?
The River Court from One Tree Hill. Best show ever.
Sounds boring. Okay.
Oh, okay, so see, this is what it looks like.
And just like that, the trip is over. We've put almost 2,000 miles on this vehicle in the last 2 weeks. Half of that was with the Whipple upgrade. This thing was getting 23 miles per gallon on the highway, which is awesome. This is probably my favorite car, and I've owned a bunch of cars in the past, and this is one of my favorites, especially for road trips. It's got a bunch of room in it, and it just drives amazing. It's very comfortable. Kids love it. It's got the power. A couple Chevy SUVs got next to my side on the highway, and you know, I pushed it to the floor, and they're probably confused what happened, but it is what it is. It's got plenty of power. I can't wait to see how it tows. I've got a boat and a trailer that I want to hook up to it later on and see how it tows, but other than that, like, it's an awesome machine. I mean, it's my favorite car. And then the Shelby over here is a nice car also, but it's just not for every day. The Expedition though is just, it's awesome for everyday driving to get around town. Yeah, it's longer, but you know, it doesn't really fit in parking spots, but it's awesome when you travel. Even with the third row seats up, you still have plenty of trunk space. And if you run out of trunk space, then I guess you can just put stuff on the roof, but I don't think we need to do that. But that's the end of this video. On the next video, I'm going to do a price review, how much this thing cost from you know, from where I bought it, shipping, parts, labor, everything, and possibly take it to the drag strip and just see what it does in 1/8 of a mile, because that's the only track we have around here that's close by, and we'll just see how it does in 1/8 of a mile and go from there. Later.